What is up, all my investors of the Shaddai? I'm back again with another HINANCE video breaking down the complex financial world for everyday people like me and you so we can get to this money, this bread, this cheddar. Today we're talking about housing market and gold, a little mixture of both. But before I get there, I got to show my appreciation to all the people that have been here since day one. I really do appreciate you. Like, I wish I could just kiss you real quick. Like, here, take that kiss. That kiss is from me. That kiss was from me. So that just threw my whole, like, when I do stuff like that, it's just random, and it just threw my whole thinking process off. But either way, I don't even know what I was talking about. I really don't. Did I show my appreciation to my people? Oh yeah, I sent the kiss. All right, so not the stock market, the housing market is going crazy. Yeah, this week I'm too like smiling right now. The housing market has been going crazy, bananas, y'all, bananas. Is it gold? Is it the new age gold right now? Is the housing market the new age gold? Let me know what you think in the comments. I don't know. Like, see, yes, the housing market got a crazy boost from this whole pandemic happening. People wanting to move outside the city. Yes, a lot of people that were living in these bigger cities, they were paying these high rents. When you live close to the city, you pay a higher rent. So now you could take that money and spend half of it to live in a crib in the suburbs. Yeah, I can see a lot of people doing that. You know, there's a lot of single people that make a lot of money and they live downtown and stuff like that. And yeah, those rents can be $3,000 at minimum. You know, depending on, it could be 3 to 5 grand. So I could see why the housing market got a boost, and it's crazy. People have been paying 20 to 30% over asking price without even walking through the crib. Like, yo, I seen it online, seen the pictures. Y'all did a great job with everything. We're gonna wrap this up real quick. I'm gonna pay 30% over the asking price because everybody, you know, I'm sure the people going to tour, they're gonna be probably bidding lower because that's usually the thing you do. You bid lower. This whole I'm a bit higher thing, that's really just like, yo, listen, we're gonna wrap this up. I got the bread. We doing all cash. I don't even want to see what the basement look like. I don't care about the leak in the bathroom. We're gonna wrap this up, and I'm gonna go buy this one. And it's the stories out there are crazy, and I'm sure many people are probably debating. I mean, I don't know what your situation is, you know, but many people are debating, should I buy right now? I know people that are looking, but they can't find because it's so crazy. It's a crazy time. And my recommendation to people, and I'm not saying that I'm right, I could be wrong. People, you know, who knows? The housing market can maybe be the next gold. But my thing is, what goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. There's no, I mean, I guess maybe there is a way, but I just don't see how we get through all the foreclosures. We get through the people not paying, the people on forbearance. We get through all that with no worries, like no issues, no nothing. And there's no like correction. There at least has to be a correction in the housing market coming. The interest rates are so low, people are refinancing all this money. And what I can see happening is someone maybe buying a house over 20-30%, and then the house losing value like 10-15%. But that's I can, in which that would mean that they would be down 45% at that point because you wanted for them to see any profit, they'd have to be go up almost 50% for them to see any profit. So it's like, it's a crazy, people that got money, they're flexing right now because they don't want cash. People don't want to hold cash right now. We're printing so much money that no one wants to hold the cash no more. They're invested in whatever. It's put the money wherever you can time right now, because if hyperinflation comes, because inflation's here, y'all. Inflation's here. You cannot buy the same amount of things that you bought a year ago with the same $20 today. And I don't expect it to get any better as they continue to print money, as they continue to do these stimulus packages. You know, the Dems are really taking advantage of this pandemic, and we just don't know where it's going to put us. So everything that goes up must come down. I mean, if you know an asset out there that's never dipped in value after going extremely high or new highs, Please let me know. You know, they say this market hasn't been this hot in 14 years. It's a little scary for me. Me personally, I'd wait it out. I'd let the party finish before I go in and see what the leftovers were. I'd let the party finish out. It's a little scary to be buying a home at such high, people paying 20-30%. No, we ain't doing that. But sometimes as well, what goes down will come up, and that's where gold comes into play. It's been underperforming for the... After Warren Buffett bought into it, gold went... And I was confused because I'm like, I mean, eventually Buffett sold out, but I was confused. I'm like, damn, I thought people would be rushing behind Warren Buffett to just run this gold up. You know, the inflation scares were coming. I had the right mindset because I was thinking people were going to turn to gold. I wasn't thinking people were going to turn to Bitcoin. So I invested in gold. But it's been underperforming. But I still think that there's potential coming. I could see that maybe, this is a prediction, not a financial advisor, I'm not saying to buy into gold, but I can say that I think we've hit the bottom of where gold's going to go as far as its low, and maybe we can see a quick spike up and then come fizzle back out, because I just don't understand how people haven't just rushed gold. That's very confusing to me. It's very confusing. You would have thought, but they went to Bitcoin, they went to Ethereum, they went to Doge, they went to everywhere else but gold. And, you know, it makes me a little sad, but I do still have hope in gold. I'm not selling my positions because I do believe that Barrick Gold will have a nice little, just got to be ready to sell. So let me know what your thoughts are on the housing market. Let me know what your thoughts are on the gold stocks. Do you hold any other gold stocks that I don't know about? I hold Barrick, but if there's other great ones out there, please share it in the comments below. It's good for people. This will also be very good news for stocks like Redfin. If this continues, if this trend continues somehow, it'll be very good for agents that work at Redfin. You literally get the pitches set up. You ain't got to even do that physical work. You maybe answer a phone call or 2 or 3. A couple people walk through. You know, you got 20 people trying to pay over 20%. You got people offering straight cash. You got people offering banks, and it's gonna be. I mean, it could be nice, but it can also be scary if the housing market starts going the other way. But everybody doesn't think it's gonna happen. Everybody doesn't think it's gonna happen. I don't know. We'll see. Either way, I appreciate you for watching. Please let me know in the comments how you feel about both of those markets. Is housing the new gold? Temporarily, I would say it is in the U.S. Right now, temporarily, I would have to say it is. I would just have to. But either way, if you're interested in joining the StockStream chat, please shoot me a DM above. I will get you all the details. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video. Subscribe. The button is right there, you a-hole.
Follow me on Instagram at shaddaipenamgmt.